Let's set up a rather complicated schedule of availability for a provider. The first thing I'm going to do is go to Calendar Settings in the lower right, and I'm going to go to Edit. Now I'm starting with a whole new availability, so I'm just going to clear what's there. Don't worry, that will not cause you to lose anything that's already on your schedule as far as patients or any meetings. I'm then going to go to Add Availability Slots. So the first situation I have is I'd like to set up a unique schedule that happens every Mondays. And I do allow patients to set up into this schedule. So I'm at my main office on this day, and from 8 to 12 o'clock, I'm going to take appointments here. And this is just going to be on Monday, so I'm going to say no to every other day of the week. So 8 to 12, and then I'm going to have a lunch break from 12 to 1. So I'm putting in 8 to 12 here on Monday. Session length is 50 minutes, but I have a break in there of 10 minutes in between slots. So I'm just going to click Save. And then I'm going to go ahead and set up my Monday afternoon schedule. I'm going to add availability slots. I am allowing patients to self-schedule, and in this case I'm going to be starting at 1 o'clock, and the last appointment ends at 5. So again, I'm going to say yes to this on Mondays, but no to it on every other day, and then 50 minutes with a 10-minute break here, and then I'll click Save. So now I have my Monday schedule set up. Now perhaps Tuesday and Thursday happen to be the same, and on these days I don't take a lunch break, so I'm going to add availability slots, and I'm going to say this is at our 2nd Street location. We're going from 8 to 5 o'clock in the morning, and that's going to be on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay, and I'll click Save. Okay, so now I can see that I have that added to this list. Now, another way you can go about having a lunch break in here is to go ahead on your schedule, and if I have a full schedule, such as, let's just go here on Tuesdays, maybe I would always like to put a lunch break in on Tuesdays, and I can do that by putting in a meeting. So I'm going to click in this time slot on Tuesdays, and I'm going to go ahead and say meeting. I'm going to say Tuesday lunch for the meeting. I'm going to add details. I want this to be actually 12 o'clock, and we're going to end this at 1 o'clock here. Find it. Okay. Whoops, I'm trying to put 1 a.m. in there. That's not going to work, is it? (1 p.m.) And this is going to repeat. It's going to repeat every week on Tuesday, and I'm just going to have it go through here a certain number of days. Could just put it in here through April, for example. Okay, and then I'll go ahead here. It says I already have some things on my calendar here, but if I didn't have that, then I'd be able to go ahead and just click Save, and that would put that appointment on my slot, on my schedule every week at the same time.